Choosing the right window style for your West Jordan home is a decision that impacts not only the aesthetics of your property but also its energy efficiency, ventilation, and overall comfort. With so many window styles available, it's essential to consider factors like functionality, maintenance, and climate suitability before making a final choice. Whether you're replacing old windows or selecting options for a new home, here's how to find the perfect fit for your home's style and needs. Consider your home's architectural style. The first step in choosing the right windows is ensuring they complement your home's architectural design. Different styles work better with certain home aesthetics. For example, traditional homes, double-hung or casement windows fit well with colonial, Cape Cod, or Victorian-style homes. Modern homes, large picture windows, sliding windows, or floor-to-ceiling glass provide a sleek and contemporary feel. Craftsman or ranch homes, awning or casement windows with grid patterns can enhance the home's character. Matching your windows to your home's architectural design ensures a cohesive and polished look. Evaluate your ventilation needs. Windows play a crucial role in allowing fresh air into your home, so consider how much ventilation you need in each room. Here are some styles suited for optimal airflow. Casement windows. These open outward like a door and allow for maximum ventilation. Double-hung windows. With two operable sashes, they provide great airflow and are easy to clean. Awning windows. Hinged at the top, they allow ventilation even during light rain. Sliding windows. These are great for wide spaces where easy horizontal operation is needed. Choosing windows that promote proper airflow can enhance indoor air quality and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Focus on energy efficiency. West Jordan experiences both hot summers and cold winters, so selecting energy-efficient windows can help lower heating and cooling costs. Look for these key features. Double or triple pane glass. These provide better insulation than single pane options. Low E coatings. These coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light in. Gas-filled windows. Argon or krypton gas between panes improves insulation. Proper seals and frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames offer excellent energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows not only save money on utility bills but also contribute to a more sustainable home. Determine your view and natural light preferences. If you have beautiful views in West Jordan, such as mountain scenery or a backyard garden, consider windows that maximize natural light and visibility. Picture windows. Fixed windows that offer unobstructed views. Bay or bow windows. These extend outward, creating a panoramic effect. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Ideal for modern homes that want to bring in ample sunlight. For rooms that need privacy, such as bathrooms, frosted or tinted glass can provide the perfect balance between natural light and discretion. Think about maintenance and durability. Some window styles require more maintenance than others. Consider these factors. Vinyl windows. Low maintenance, durable, and cost-effective. Wood windows. Classic appearance but require regular sealing or painting. Aluminum windows. Strong and sleek, but not as energy efficient as other options. Fiberglass windows. highly durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. If you want windows that require minimal upkeep, vinyl or fiberglass are excellent choices. Factor in security features. Safety is another important consideration when choosing windows. Look for features such as multi-point locking systems, provide enhanced security against break-ins. Impact-resistant glass helps prevent damage from debris or forced entry. Tempered or laminated glass offers extra protection in case of breakage. Choosing windows with built-in security features gives peace of mind while keeping your home safe. Final thought. Selecting the right window style for your West Jordan home requires careful consideration of aesthetics, energy efficiency, ventilation, and security. By taking these factors into account, you can choose windows that not only enhance your home's appearance but also improve its overall functionality. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a trusted window specialist in West Jordan to find the perfect style that fits your home and budget. Investing in the right windows can elevate your home's comfort, curb appeal, and value for years to come.